Hi dear students, in this video let us study about let us continue the chapter arithmetic progression 3 or 4 marks question. The 10th question of today's class is, in an AP the sum of 4 terms is 20 and sum of their squares is 120, then find the 4 terms ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So what is there in an AP? The sum of 4 terms. So in an AP the sum of 4 terms will be 20. So if you add 4 terms of an AP, it will be equal to 20. So in the first step, let us write the 4 terms of an AP. Which are the 4 terms of an AP? A minus 3D, comma A minus D, comma A plus D, comma A plus 3D. So these are the 4 terms of an AP. Now if I add all these 4, you will get 20. So A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D, which is equal to 20. So minus 3D plus 3D minus D plus D. So how many A is remaining? 4A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4A is equal to 20. A is equal to 20 divided by 4. A is equal to 20 by 4 is 5. 4 ones are 4 fives are. Therefore the value of A is 4. After getting the value of A, now and the sum of their square is 120. So if I make square and add them, then their sum will become 120. Let us square and add them. So if I square and add them, so what it will become? A minus 3D whole square plus A minus D whole square plus A plus D whole square plus A plus 3D whole square, which is equal to 120. That means if you square and add them, it is equal to 120. Now let us find out, after getting the value of A, let us find out the by using this one, let us find the value of D value na find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So what is there? It is in the form of A minus B whole square. A square, that is A square plus B square. B square is 3D square. 3 square D square. What is 3 square D square? It is 9D square minus 2A into B. That is 2 3s are 6AD plus it is in the form of A minus B whole square. A square plus B square means D square minus 2AD plus it is in the form of A plus B whole square. A square plus B square is D square plus 2AB, that is 2AD plus it is in the form of A plus B whole square. A square plus what is B square? 9D square plus 2AB, 2 into A, 2A into 3D, 3 2s are 6AD, which is equal to 120. So like this we have added, we have expanded A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square. Now let us solve it. So now here plus 6AD minus 6AD will get cancelled. Then any other things it will get cancelled. Minus 2AD plus 2AD will get cancelled. Then how many A square are there? You count 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many A squares are there? 4A square. Then how many D squares are there? 9D square plus 1D square, 10D square. 10D square plus 9D square, 19D square. Then here one 20. So total so 20D squares are there. 20D square, which is equal to 120. Now in place of A you substitute 5. So what is the value of A? 5. In place of A substitute 5. So if I substitute 5 in place of A, 4 into 5 square plus 20D square is equal to 120. Now 5 square become 25. 25 become 100. 100 plus 20D square is equal to 120. So 20D square is equal to 120 plus 100 become minus 100. So 20D square is equal to 120 minus 100 is 20. Now let us bring this 20 to the denominator. So d square is equal to 20 divided by 20. 20 ones are 20 ones are. So d square is equal to 1. D is equal to plus or minus square root of 1. So d is equal to plus or minus, what is square root of 1? It is 1. Now we got the value of a and d. So we got the value of a and d. Now you write the four terms of an AP. A minus 3d, comma a minus d, comma a plus d, comma a plus 3d. What is a? 5 minus what is 3 into d is 1, comma 5 minus 1, comma 5 plus 1, comma 5 plus 3 into 1. So 5 minus 3 ones are is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 3 ones are is 3. Therefore the four terms of an AP are 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 5 plus 3 is 8. Therefore 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 are the four terms of an AP. Now you add these three. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. So if you square all these four, if you add them, you will get 120. So you can cross check that one. So like this we have to solve this question. So let us go for the 11th question. The number of mobile telephones manufactured by a new company increases every month by a constant number. If the company manufactures 600 mobile in the third month, so 600 mobile in the third month means A3 is equal to 600, and this A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 600. You call it as equation 1. Then and 1600 mobiles in the seventh month means A7, which is equal to 1600. So now A7 can be written as A plus 6D, which is equal to 1600, which you call it as equation 2. So in equation 1 and equation 2 A is there, therefore subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So what is equation 2? A plus 2D, equation 1, A plus 2D is equal to 600. Then equation 2, A plus 6D is equal to 1600. Plus become minus, so plus become minus. So plus A minus A will get cancelled. Minus 6D plus 2D is minus 4D is equal to minus 1600 plus 600 is minus 1000. So minus minus cancel. D is equal to 1000 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 4 fives are 0. So D is equal to, the value of common difference is 250. So D is what? 250. After getting the value of D, now we have to find out the value of A. For equation 1 or equation 2. A plus 2D is equal to 600. So A plus 2 into D is 250 is equal to 600. So A plus 252 is 500 is equal to 600. A is equal to 600 minus, if you bring plus 500 it will become minus 500. So A is equal to 600 minus 500 is 100. So we got the value of A as 100. Now what he told, find the total month in first year anta kelidane. So first year anta bandaga n is equal to 12 agutte, because 1 year has 12 months. So we know the value of A as 100. We know the value of D as 250. Now we have to calculate, that is D as 250. N is equal to 1 year. 1 year means it is equal to 12 months. Therefore, we have to calculate total production in 1 year. That is S12 is equal to question mark. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N means 12 is equal to, n means 12 by 2 into 2a. A is 100 plus n is 12 minus 1 into d is 250. So now S12 is equal to, what is 12 by 2? It is 6. 2 ones are 2 6 are. 2 into 100 is 200 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 250. So S12 is equal to, so 6 into 200 plus, if you multiply 11 zeros are 0, 11 fives are 55, 5 carry, 11 twos are 22, 22 plus 5 is 27. So S12 is equal to 6 into 6 in S12 is equal to 6 into, now if you add these two it will become 2950. You multiply S12, S12 is equal to 6 into 2950, it will become 17,700. Therefore, in a year, how many mobiles are manufactured? In a year, totally 17,700 mobiles are manufactured in 1 year, that is in 12 months. So let us go for the next 12th question. Let us go for the next that is a 12th question. In the 12th question, in an AP, if the second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively, find the sum of the first 51 terms they have given. What is the second term is given? 14. What is the third term is given? 18. So second term can be written as A2, which is equal to 14. And third term is written as A3, which is equal to 18. A2 can be written as A plus D, which is equal to 14, and A3 can be written as A plus 2D, which is equal to 18. Now A can be written as 14. If we shift plus D, it will become minus D. Now substitute this value of A for this one. What is A plus D? A plus 2D is equal to, it is equal to 18. Now what is A? A means 14 minus D plus what is remaining 2D is equal to 18. What is minus 2D plus 1D? What is minus D plus 2D? It is D, which is equal to 18. If we shift plus 14, it will become minus 14. So D is equal to, so what it will become? 18 minus 14 is 4. The value of D is 4. After getting the value of D, substitute this D value in this equation. What is that we are given? So A is, what we got? A is equal to 14 minus D. A is equal to 14 minus what is D? It is 4. Therefore A is equal to 14 minus 4 is 10. So we got the value of A as 10. After getting the value of D as well as A, find the, we asked to calculate the sum of the first 51 terms. So now let us make a list. A is equal to 10, D is equal to 4, N is equal to 51, S51 is equal to question mark. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn means 51 is equal to n means 51 by 2 into 2 into a means 10 plus 51 minus 1 into d is 4. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 2 tens are 20 plus 50 minus 1, 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus 54s are become 200. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 200 plus 20 is 220. 2 ones are 0. So S51 is equal to 110. So S50, therefore S51 is equal to, now you multiply 51 zeros is 0. 51 ones is 51, give 1 5 carry. 51 ones are 51. 51 plus 5 is 56. Therefore, S51 is equal to 5610. Like this, we have to find the sum of the 51st term. So, let us go for next 13th question. In the 13th question, if 12th and 22nd terms of an AP are 42 and 62 respectively, we have to find out the 25th term. What is 12th term is given as 42, 22nd term is given as 62. So 12th term, that is A12 is equal to 42. Then A22 is equal to 62. So 12th term is 42 and 22nd term is 62. Now we have to find out the 25th term. We have to find out A25. First let us find out D. So D is equal to AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. So D is equal to, what is AP? It is 42 minus what is AQ? It is 62 divided by what is P? It is 12 minus what is Q? It is 22. So D is equal to 42 minus 62 is minus 20. 12 minus 22 is minus 10. Minus minus cancel. 2 ones are 2. 10 ones are 10 twos are. The value of D is 2. After getting the value of D, now substitute the value of D for taking this one. What is there? A12 is equal to 42. A12 can be written as A plus 11D, which is equal to 42. A plus 11 into what is D? It is 2 is equal to 42. A plus 22 is equal to 42. A is equal to 42. If we shift plus 22, it will become minus 22. A is equal to 42 minus 22 is 20. Therefore, the value of A is 20. So, we got D as 2 and A as 20. Now, let us find out the 25th term. So, A25 is equal to question mark. So, A25 can be written as A plus 24D. So A25 is equal to A means 20 plus 24 into D means 2. So A25 is equal to 20 plus 24 2s are 48. So A25 is equal to, so 20 plus 48 will be 68. So like this we have to find out the 25th term. Now let us move for question number, that is 14th. So let us see what is the question number 14. So in question number 14, he has given three angles of a triangle in AP. If the largest angle is 75 degree, we have to find out the remaining angle. So three angles of a triangle are in AP. So now let us take three angles that are in AP. So now let us write one rough sketch for this one. So I will take one triangle here. So ABC is a triangle. If this is A, this is A plus D and this is A plus 2D. A plus 2D. So A plus 2D is the greatest angle. Agar this angle he has given as 75 degree. So A plus 2D is given as 75 degree. If we add all the three angles, it will be equal to 180 degree. A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to 180 degree. So now A plus, what is A plus 2D? So A plus 2D is 75 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Then 1A plus 1A become 2A plus D. So 2A plus D plus 75. In place of A plus 2D, I have substituted 75. So 2A plus D is equal to 180. If you shift plus 75, it will become minus 75. So 2A plus D is equal to, it will 180 minus 75 is 105 degree. You call this as 2. Now what they have given, that you call it as 1. What he has given, A plus 2D is equal to 75. This you call it as 1. Now you observe 1 and 2. In equation 1 a is there, but in equation 2 2a is there. In equation 1 2d is there, in equation 2 d is there. Either you cancel equation, you make equation 1 as same, or multiply equation 1 by 2 or equation 2 by 2. So it is left to you. So I will multiply equation 1, multiply equation 1 by 2. If I multiply by 2, so 2 into a is 2a plus 2 2s is 4d. 2a plus 4d is equal to 2 into 75. 75 2s are. See here, if you multiply by 2, what we will get? So 2 into a is 2a. Sorry, here 2 into a 2a. 2 2s are 4d. 2 75s are 150. Now equation 2, what is their equation 2? So 2a plus d is equal to 105. So now subtract it, plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Plus 2a minus 2a cancel. 4d minus 1d is 3d is equal to, so 150 minus 105 is 45. D is equal to 45 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 15s are. What is D is equal to 15 degree. So D we got difference is 15. Now you substitute this value of D in equation 1. So what is equation 1? A plus 2D is equal to 75. A we don't know, plus 2 into D is 15 is equal to 75. A plus 15 2s are 30 is equal to 75. A is equal to 75 plus 30 become minus 30. A is equal to 75 minus 30 is 45. So what is the value of A? So 75 minus 30 will be equal to 45. After getting the value of D as well as the value of we got the value of D as well as value of A. Now find the three angles of a triangle. The first is A. A is equal to 45 degree. Then second one is A plus D. A plus D is equal to, A means 45 plus D means 15. So 45 plus 15 is 60 degree. And the third one is A plus 2D. Already in the question itself he has given the largest angle of a triangle is 75 degree. Therefore, the three angles of a triangle are A is equal to 45 degree, A is equal to 60 degree and A is equal to 75 degree. So like this we have to solve the 14th question. Now let us move for 15th question. 15th question is, in an AP, third and seventh term are 14 and minus 2 respectively. Which term of the AP is minus 14? So which term he has asked? Now we have to find the number of term. Which term? So let us find which term. So now what they are given? Third term is 14. So third term means A3 is equal to 14. Then seventh term is minus 2. Seventh term means A7 is which is equal to minus 2. A3, first you find out D. D is equal to AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. So D is equal to, what is AP? 14. Then what is AQ? Minus into minus is plus 2 divided by 3 minus 7. P is 3 and Q is 7. So D is equal to 14 plus 2 is 16 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 fours. So what is the value of D? D is equal to minus 4. After getting the value of D as minus 4, now let us find out the value of A. So what he has given? Third term is equal to 14. So third term can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 14. So A plus 2 into what is D? Minus 4 is equal to 14. A plus into minus is minus. 2 4s are 8 is equal to 14. A is equal to 14 plus 8. So A is equal to 14 plus 8 which will be 22. So A is equal to 22. After getting the value of A and D, now he told which term of the AP is minus 14. So which term we don't know. So now let us take AN as minus 14. Then what is the first term he has given? 22. Then what is the common difference we got? Minus 4. So D is equal to minus 4. Now let us find out N. So which term? So for that one, let us use an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now after writing the formula, an formula, now let us solve this one. So an means minus 14 is equal to a 22, then plus n minus 1 into d is minus 4. So minus 14, if you shift this one, minus 22 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 4. Minus 14 minus 22 is minus 36 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 4. N minus 1 is equal to minus 36 by minus 4. Minus minus cancel. N minus 1 is equal to 4 ones are 4 nines are. N is equal to 9. If we shift minus 1 plus 1, N is equal to 9 plus 1 is 10. Therefore, the 10th term of an AP is minus 14. So, which term of the AP is minus 14? The 10th term, because the value of N is 10. Therefore, the 10th term of an AP is minus 14. So, like this we have to solve the 15th question. Now, let us solve 16th question. So now let us go for 16th question. The fourth term of an AP is 10. So fourth term means A4 is equal to 10. Then he has given if 11th term is 1 more than 3 times the fourth term. If the 11th term means A11 is 1 more than 11th term is 1 more than 3 times the 1 more than 3 times the fourth term, 3 times the fourth term, that is A11 is equal to 3A4 plus 1. So A4 can be written as A plus 3D, which is equal to 10. You call this as 1. Then coming to A11, A11 is equal to, so now A11 is equal to 3 into, what is A4? A4 andre ille ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, A4 andre 10. So 3 into 10 plus 1. So A11 is equal to 3 tens are 30 plus 1. So A11 is equal to 30 plus 1 is 31. A11 can be written as A plus 10D, which is equal to 31. You call this as equation 2. Now let us solve equation 1 and equation 2. In equation 1, A plus 3D is equal to 10. In equation 2, A plus 10D is equal to 31. So in both also A is there. Therefore, equation 1 minus equation 2. What is equation 1? A plus 3D is equal to 10. What is equation 2? A plus 10D is equal to 31. Plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Plus A minus A get cancelled. Minus 10D plus 3D is minus 7D is equal to minus 31 plus 10 is minus 7. Minus 21. So D is equal to minus 21 divided by minus 7. Minus minus cancelled. So D is equal to 7 ones are 7 threes. So the value of D is 3. After getting the value of D, find the value of A. We put the value of D in equation 1. A plus 3D is equal to 10. Now A plus 3 into D is 3 is equal to 10. So A plus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 plus 9 become minus 9. A is equal to 1. So we got the value of A as 1. So D as 3 and A as 1. Now what he has told to calculate, find the sum of the 25th term. That means we have to find out S25. So to find S25, let us make a list. A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 25, S25 is equal to question mark. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, n means 25 is equal to 25 by 2 into 2a. A means 1 plus 25 minus 1 into what is d? So d is 3. So S25 is equal to 25 by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 into 3. So S25 is equal to 25 by 2 into 2 plus 24 3s are 72. So S25 is equal to 25 by 2 into 72 plus 2 is 74. 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 14. So S25 is equal to 25 sevens are. So 25 sevens are become 175. 175 get 5, 17 carry. Then 25 threes are 75. So 25 threes are 75 plus 17. 75 plus 17 is 92. Therefore, sum of the 25 terms of an AP is 925. So like this we have to solve the 16th problem. So remaining problems will be continued in the next video. Thank you.